welcome back to a new video on my channel. Please click the subscribe button and press the like button and never miss another video. Today I will explain that arithmetic operators and bitwise operator. On my previous video I explained that what is operator and type of the operator, and next the assignment operators and increment decrement operators. So these two operators are already described. Please watch my previous video. Today I will explain you arithmetic operators and bitwise operator. So first, what is arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operators are used to construct mathematical expression as in algebra. So we can say that arithmetic operators are the binary operators because these operators use two operands and their operands are of numeric type. So the operand must be numeric type. There are several examples of arithmetic operators, and these are the examples: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Modulus means it will retain the remainder portion, whereas the division return the quotient. Increment, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, and modulus assignment, and finally decrement. Here is a simple arithmetic example. So this is the example where different type of variables we declared as an integer variable. So the variables are here integer type, and there are used some arithmetic operator such as addition, such as subtraction, such as multiplication, division, and modulus operator. So this is a simple arithmetic example. Now let us come to bitwise operators. Bitwise operators, Java's bitwise operators operate on individual bits of integer values. So it is important, that is individual bits of integer values. Bitwise operator only acts on the individual bits of a integer. If an operand is shorter than the int, it is promoted to int before doing the operation. So if we declare any variable data type as short, so it must be promoted to int before the bitwise operator. And here are the example of bitwise operator. First of all, the AND operator. AND operator, these are very much similar to the logical operators, but the AND operator here, AND operator actually does with individual bit, and if both bits are 1, then it will produce 1. And then OR operator. In case of OR operator, it will return the 1 if either of bits are 1 in case of A and B. So this is OR operator. Now XOR operator. XOR operator, that means if both bits are different, then it will give the result 1. And last one is the NOT or complement operator. it actually inverts the bits. That means it converts 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Now let us come to shift operator. This is called left shift operator. Left shift, that means it will shift the bits of n left p position. Actually, if we give an example, a left shift with 2, then the value of a or bits of a, number of bits of a will be twice left shifted. Next is right shift operator. Right shift operator, it actually shift the bits of n to the right of p positions. So if we can say the a right shift 2, then the value of a will be right shifted. The bits of a, number of bits of a will be right shifted by 2. And the finally is the unsigned right shift operator. This is called unsigned right shift operator. This operator shifts the number to the left and it fills 0 in empty spaces that are left as a result, similar to multiplying a number with some power of 2. So this right shift, unsigned right shift operator actually shifts the bits of n right to the p position, and zeros are shifted into the high order positions. So these are the bitwise operator. Here we give a example for bitwise operator, where we take a value 60 which is assigned to A, and 13 to the B, and 0 to the C. And therefore we find out the binary digit for 60 is 00111100, and the binary code for 13 is 00001101. Therefore, if we get an AND operation, then what is the result? The result is 00001100. That means 12. That means 12. The result is 12. And if we operate OR operation, then the result is 0011 and 1101. That means it will produce the result 61. Now if we operate XOR operation, then the result will be 49. That means 0011001. Next, if we invert the value of C, if we invert the value of A, then it will produce the value minus 61. So it is a negative integer. The binary code for this one is 11000011. And if we use the left shift operator by 2, that means A left shift by 2, then it will produce 11110000, and that means the result of it is 240. If we use the right shift operator by 2, then it will produce 200 and only 15. Then it will produce only 15. Next, if we use the unsigned right shift operator, then it will also produce the same result, that is 15. So these are the outputs of the following codes. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoying it. Click the like button and never miss another video. I will soon come to describe the next two operators relational and logical operators.